Artificial intelligence continues its meteoric rise, reshaping industries from core infrastructure to advanced healthcare solutions. NVIDIA and Oracle are teaming up to build the U.S. Department of Energy's largest AI supercomputer, marking a monumental leap in national computing power. OpenAI's massive $38 billion deal with Amazon Web Services signals a strategic shift in their GPU infrastructure strategy. Enterprise AI adoption is soaring, with a Wharton report confirming 72% of organizations are already seeing a positive return on investment. Apple is reportedly integrating Google's advanced Gemini model into Siri, promising significantly enhanced AI capabilities for users. Google is set to launch Gemini Nano Banana 2 for superior image generation, while Microsoft introduces its proprietary MAI Image 1. In a significant healthcare breakthrough, AI is now designing antibodies, accelerating the drug discovery process. The European Union is reportedly easing its AI regulation framework, adapting to the rapidly changing technological landscape. Meanwhile, the U.S. has blocked NVIDIA's sale of simplified AI chips to China, underscoring ongoing geopolitical considerations. From groundbreaking infrastructure to vital healthcare advancements, AI's rapid evolution continues to redefine our world and shape our future.